So, what does it mean to claim your power and to be in your power? I would be really interested to reply to this question. I feel that very often we confuse power with the previous preconditioned mind of the previous era, where power is connected with like a physical strength, where you overcome your opponents and you are in antagonism with others, and you're like the first, or you come out first, you come out victorious, and it's always to do like with the individual overcoming other individuals in a state of separation and antagonism and conflict. So to be in my power, in my opinion, is more to do with bringing love to all the aspects of me that I haven't so far accepted and loved and seen, and also to deal with every situation through a space of love and reconciliation. So even if someone attacks me, of course, I will be discernment. I will be like, I will bring discernment to all situations, and I will deal with them in the best way that I can. But even if someone like attacks me, I don't need to attack. I think it's what Yeshua, Jesus used to say, like when someone slaps you, turn the other cheek. It's more like I bring love even to conflict. And that is so courageous. That is real power. That is real strength. To bring love to everything that doesn't have love, to all the places that haven't been accepted, to all the places in the heart that haven't been seen, and to fill in the gaps with acceptance, love, reconciliation, and forgiveness. And I feel that's what claiming my power means. It means to bring love to all the aspects of me, to all the parts of me that I once judged, and also to that of other people. And slowly, this is the way that we're gonna heal ourselves and everyone else in this world, by using our power with the discernment of love. And of course, always protect ourselves in the process, because, ego has a tendency to like go wild. Yeah, I wanted to really speak about power. And what do you think?